everyone, this is Rocky. Thank you so much for joining my channel. So, if you watch me every week, this may look like a bit like deja vu, but it is not. Today, we are talking about too many things in my closet. So I decided to do this a little bit differently this time. So don't click off. Don't click off. I found a better way to do this. So in the other videos, I've been showing you everything that I have in a particular category, and it's been in a double digits. So what I'm going to do this time is, I know that I have a ton of black dresses. I have way too many black dresses, and just the short ones. And what I want to do is, I know there are some that I love. So why even waste your time looking at the ones that I love? Because I know I'm not going to listen to you if you tell me get rid of it. I'm only going to double click on the questionable ones. The ones where I feel like maybe the fit is off, the style may be not my best style. Maybe it's too young for me. I'm not really sure. It's kind of cuspy. So what I want to do is, I'm going to, obviously show you the full array of what all of them look like, but I'm gonna, in fast motion, show you what each of the ones that I feel on the fence about, show you how they look, and then you can tell me in the comments down below, because I'm gonna number them. Tell me in the comments down below which ones you think should go. That's all you need to tell me is, 1, 2, 3, and 4 need to go. All of them need to go. None of them need to go. Whatever you feel, go ahead and put it down in the comments down below.
Is all I need to help revive me. Just touch me and I feel pure, pure love. You're the only thing I'm ever sure of. Your love, I'm sure of. I need some reminding that God is He's still behind me. So baby, come take my soul and set me free. When you come, wrap them chocolate legs around me. So when I come home tonight, you'll make everything alright. When you come, wrap them chocolate legs around me. I need you to understand and make me I'm a man. Deep inside you, that's where I need to be. Deep inside you, baby, just wrap them chocolate legs around me. Hold on, hold on. Some reminding that God is He's still behind me. So baby, just take my soul and set me free. I want you to know how much you mean to me. When you just wrap them chocolate.
Okay, so those were all of the dresses that I wanted you to kind of mull over and give me your fashionista and fashionista expertise. Which ones look good, which ones not so much, which ones definitely 100% need to go. So hopefully I've numbered them correctly. Hopefully you were able to see them very well. Let me know your opinion in the comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with a friend. Hit the like button. Bye.